Hello students. Now today we will see angle bisector theorem. Yesterday we have seen basic proportionality theorem. Okay. So I will tell you the statement of this theorem here. Okay. So remember which theorem? Angle bisector theorem here. So the statement see here. In a triangle, the angle bisector divide the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining side. Okay, this is the statement. What? In one triangle, the angle bisector divide the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining side. Means what? I will explain you here. So suppose if I draw one triangle, uh, suppose that triangle is we can take any type of the triangle here. Suppose that is a triangle ABC. So I will draw this triangle in this way. See, so this is your triangle A, B and C. Okay, so in this triangle, see, what you can do is, or 1 minute, just give me 1 minute, I'll write in this way, means you will understand properly. Suppose this is our triangle ABC. Here is A, here is B, here is C. Okay, and in this triangle, one of the angle is having a bisector. Means suppose this one, this AD is the angle bisector of which angle? BAC. Okay, this means what, children? This angle BAD and angle CAD, they are congruent. Okay, so our theorem is telling, in this triangle, if this AD is the bisector of this angle, okay, then this bisector dividing the side which is opposite of this angle. So for this angle BC is the opposite side, so this BC will get divide in the ratio, means here BD over DC. This ratio will be equal to the ratio of the remaining side, means AB over AC. This we have to prove here. Means given is what? In one triangle, one angle is having one bisector. That much only is given. So we have to prove, means to prove I will write here, see. So to prove will be what? Ratio of the opposite side, that is BD upon DC, that will be equal to remaining sides are which one? AB and AC. So here also see, BD we have taken first, BD upon DC, so you have to take AB upon AC, right? So here I will write AB upon AC. This we have to prove. Or you can do like this, see, CD over DB also you can take. When you take CD over DB, then you should take CA, or that is AC over AB. So this side, so this side. If this intercept, then you should take this side like this. So if BD over DC, then take AB over AC. If CD over BD, then take AC over AB. Anyhow, it both one and the same only. So understood? Given is what? One angle bisector is given in one triangle, and then we have to prove this ratio. See, remember. So to which side it is intersecting, that side get divided, and the ratio of the intercept is equal to the ratio of this remaining two sides. Okay, so we'll start our proof. So here once again I will draw the figure. You just see the figure. Same figure I am taking here. I have taken triangle ABC. Sorry, here is C actually, and then I will draw one angle bisector here. Okay, see, this is the angle bisector. Due to that, these both angles we got congruent. Okay, now what I will do, see, here I will extend this side, and to the here we can take actually like this thing. For this A, here I will take D and I will draw one line. Okay, and that line, whatever I have drawn from C, okay, this line is parallel to this AD bisector. Remember this much. Okay, this is our construction. and then this A vertex we will join here. Suppose here the point is E. Okay, see the construction is what, and in this way this A will get extend. So just give me 1 minute, I will draw once again.